Today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can edit short form videos using AI in 2026. My name is Andrew, the co-founder of Getit.ai, and my background comes from making social media videos. In fact, my main YouTube channel has over 5 million subscribers, and I've been doing this for well over 15 years. And editing has always been the number one bottleneck. I'm sure you know, not only does editing cost a lot of money if you have an editing team, but it also takes a ton of time. And whether you're a beginner or you're a pro and you've been making content for a while, editing is a massive bottleneck. This is exactly why we built Getit, to help creators just like yourself make videos faster and focus on the number one thing that matters, being behind the camera and just make more videos. Getit does support both long form videos like YouTube and also short form like Instagram Reels, TikToks, YouTube Shorts. So if you have a video, it doesn't matter if it's long or short, Getit can edit the entire thing for you. The first thing you need to do is go to Getit.ai and go ahead and upload your videos by just dragging and dropping or clicking this upload videos button. Now it's super important that you prompt the AI exactly what you want the video to be. For an example, this is a coffee vlog showing how to brew the best coffee. Now in this case, I'm not actually going to upload anything because I already have a short form video I'm going to show you. But in this case, all you would do is go ahead and click the edit button, and within a few minutes, your entire video will already be ready to go and it's already edited. So now we're on the internals of Getit.ai, and this is my short form video right here. I'm going to go ahead and click this just to load this video up to show you. As you can see, it is vertical. First thing you're going to notice on the right-hand side, we have our chat box. Now this chat box is our area where we can talk to the AI to make revisions, make changes, or add things to the videos. Now, depending on when you're watching this, we're actually in MVP right now, but again, depending on when you're watching this, we are going to be supporting tons of crazy features that cost crazy amounts of money if you were to hire a normal editor. We're talking animations, AI B-roll, multiple audio track support, multiple camera support, all of these sorts of things. So everything you're watching in this video is strictly what we offer at MVP. So depending on when you're watching this, all of these features I'm talking about are already rolled out. So you're definitely going to want to check these out. Now, right beside the chat button, you're going to see this little text icon. This right here is our transcript. This tells me exactly what it cut and what it didn't cut. Now, the nice part is if the AI makes mistakes, because it happens, we have total control to be able to fix those mistakes so we can get the perfect video. So let me just start from the very beginning, and I just want to see how it did. I did notice that it cut out a bunch in the very beginning. You can see this is like what we consider meta talk, which is like 3, 2, 1s and kind of getting ready to go. So let's go ahead and click play.
Have you ever wanted to make the best coffee in the world, but you didn't know how to? The best way to brew coffee isn't by what type of beans you use, but it's by the process and how you're doing it. If you let the beans settle before you start brewing them, it makes a lot more purified.
Nice. Okay, so it actually left in this gap right here. So it does detect gaps where I was laughing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how we can go ahead and remove this. So all we need to do is go ahead and click the edit button at the very top, and we can click this gap right here. And as you can see, there's a strike through right through it now. And all we need to do is click save. Once I click confirm and save, it's now going to cut that gap out. This should only take a couple seconds because it's a super shortcut. Now, while it's doing this in the background, of course, when your project is ready to go and you're happy with the video itself, at the top right, you can go ahead and click export. Now you can export this as an MP4 file, so you can just take it and upload it right to the platform you're looking for, or you can export it as a file that is supported by multiple of the most famous video editors: Adobe Premiere, DaVinci Resolve, Sony Vegas, and there's more to come. Okay, it already finished within seconds, which is great. So let's go ahead and watch this back one more time.
Have you ever wanted to make the best coffee in the world, but you didn't know how to? The best way to brew coffee isn't by what type of beans you use, but it's by the process and how you're doing it. If you let the beans settle before you start brewing them, it makes a lot more purified of a coffee bean, which makes your coffee taste better. Follow me so you can learn more.
Now, everything you're watching right now is just our version 1 of Getit. We are pushing updates each and every single week, and our number one priority is pushing updates that are going to make your videos stellar. Animations, B-roll, sound effects, music, multi-camera support, multiple audio track support. Millions of things are coming to the platform, so make sure you go ahead and check out Getit.ai. If you join Getit right now, it is currently 80% off for the first 2 years, meaning for 2 years straight, you can get 80% off and have AI edit all of your videos for you. For example, our hobby plan, which usually costs $49.99, is only $10 a month right now. And yes, this isn't some fake scarcity. These prices will be going back to this once we are out of MVP, because to run this type of software and to be able to run all of these types of editing back and forth, it does actually cost a lot of money, even though AI is doing it. So if you want to lock in 2 years of 80% off, go on over to Getit.ai right now and go ahead and sign up for an account. And as always, I'm excited to see what you're going to edit with Getit.